I am not bullshitting. I've made all my money from creating meme coins, not from trading. And in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method that you can utilize after watching this video, and that is from creating coins. I will be exposing the entire method, right? And I will walk you through exactly how to create a coin, how to find a viral narrative, how to launch it. Everything will be done in this video for you guys. So without further ado, bro, let's get straight to it. I am not here to sell you a course. Now guys, look, I'm pretty sure you watching this video are unprofitable in trading meme coins, so that's exactly why you want to find a brand new strategy, which is deving. The reason why deving meme coins is far more profitable than actually trading it is because the market is meant for the devs to win. Most of these coins just end up going to zero anyways, so what's the point of trading them if you cannot even hold the coin, or if you just get dumped on minutes later? Well, that's exactly where you have to start deving. By deving your own coins, you will be the one making thousands of dollars in the back end by dumping and selling your supply on your creations. Okay, all we're doing as devs is finding narratives online. It could be literally anything. You can even vamp coins. We launch them, which cost nothing by the way, and then we wait for buyers, and then we just cash out, and we do that over and over again. And the more consistent you are, the more coins you launch, well, the more your portfolio grows. So in this video, I will show you exactly step by step, okay, my strategy on exactly how I find these viral narratives online really easily, how I create them, and then how I cash out. And I will be doing an example today. I will be deving a coin to show you how it's done from myself on camera. So let's go. And yes, bro, I am not a financial advisor. I don't condone any financial advice. Do your own research. And yes, bro, all is cap. I'm cap. Now, most people make their coins on Pump.Fun. Now, let me tell you exactly why you have to stay away from Pump.Fun, bro. It's oversaturated, too many coins are launching, and the only coins that actually run are the coins that are getting chilled all over X. So, if you are new to deving, bro, let me just tell you this: no one will buy your coin. There is no chances. You're just wasting your time. That's why instead you have to be using my strategy. You have to be launching on the Raydium DEX. When the coin goes to Raydium, right, it could be any narrative, it gets attention no matter what. But if you have a viral narrative and you're launching to Raydium, you can get a bunch of buyers. Like look, the most recent migration to Raydium got a bunch of attention, okay? And that is exactly where I dev my coins instead of Pump.Fun. Now look, to dev a coin on the Raydium DEX, you have to be using create meme.io. It's one of the best, okay? And obviously, using Pump.Fun to launch your Raydium will require a 35, well now it's a $38,000 migration price. So that's impossible to get. Just use create meme.io. You can either create a coin from scratch if you have a narrative in mind. It could be anything that you found on the news or on, with your community, or you can copy a coin that is already working. All these coins are gaining a bunch of attention. They're just proven, okay, because that's why they're here. They are viral. So instead of going out and just looking for a coin to create, you can just copy a coin back to Raydium, which already has a good narrative, and then get a bunch of buyers. I'm gonna do an example to show you how it's done. Alright guys, now let's make some money from deving. Click your phantom white, right? Click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna just copy a random coin. So this one, Titcoin. Click on copy the Raydium, right? Your phantom white is going to show up. Just ignore the block. It's normal and safe. Click on proceed, confirm. I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Just give it a couple seconds for it to actually mint on the blockchain. My throat, bro. Bang, and now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where you create your Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, your coin can actually launch to Raydium and get like a bunch of buyers, right? And you will have supply before everyone else. Now look, the first step, just click on 90%. For the second step, for the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL, okay? You are not going to lose this. If you want this on the back later, you can at any moment get it back. You just have to exit. And obviously, bro, this will be exchanged into supply. Click on create pool. Your phantom white is going to show up in a couple of seconds. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the Titcoin is live, and you have everything showing up right here, even your PNL. And if you want to see how much you're up, just click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, guys, we're up 190 bucks because people are now insta-aping in our coin, and that's exactly why we copy coins. We want to attract people to buy our coin, and it's working at the moment. Now go on your trading platform. It can be anything. I'm gonna go on Photon, okay, for this video, okay. And then the coin should be live. Bang, it's live. And oh, it's a bit volatile. Don't worry, bro. Bang! We're getting a bunch of buyers. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The power of Raydium using create meme.io. It's insane, guys. Look at this. All this attention is flooding in. I am not promoting this coin. These are all random people buying in. It's all organic, okay? And the funny part is that this coin cost us nothing to create, and that's exactly what makes this method so profitable. Like, I feel like most people are trading, but most people are not deving. Like, it's, I don't know. But I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna let this coin pump for a little bit. Alright guys, I am back. Let me show you exactly how to cash out from your coin, okay? We're at the 3.4k market cap. Let's cash out. Come back to create meme.io. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $2,700 in PNL. This is relatively insane for me, right? For some people watching this video, this might be a lot, so that's why diving is so insane. Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet is going to show up. Just ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a coin. Look at my phantom wallet, bro, 2.7 bands straight inside my phantom wallet. And now it's up to you, bro, to do the same. Start deving, bro, crank up those coins, be consistent. Now, yes, the results will vary. Sometimes you might make more or less, you never know. But that's exactly what makes it fun. Create meme.io will be linked now below. Peace out, bro, let's go.